Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Cook and Eat with Nanu, and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm gonna be making my curry powder. I have been making my own curry powder ever since I started cooking. This is very easy to make. I'm gonna show you how to make curry powder today. I usually make my curry powder outside stove because of the strong aroma, but if you want to, you can make it inside too. But today I'm gonna be making inside. So the main ingredient is coriander. So the coriander is the seed of cilantro. We all know cilantro. We use cilantro in our dishes. So when you plant coriander, you get cilantro. So this is the main ingredient. Usually when I get coriander, I wash them and roast them. So I have 2 cups of coriander washed and roasted. It's crunchy. I have 2 cups here, and I have 1 cup of cumin seeds. Same thing, I wash and roast them. And I have half a cup of fennel washed and roasted. And I have 4 cardamoms, 4 cloves. These are from Sri Lanka. And I have curry leaves. These are from my backyard. I have curry leaves in my backyard. These are organic curry leaves from my backyard. I usually wash them and air dry for like 2 days before I use. And this is what it looks like. So I have 8 curry leaves in here. I have half a teaspoon of turmeric. I have 1 teaspoon of black pepper, whole black pepper. I have 1 teaspoon of mustard. I have 2 cinnamon sticks broken into pieces. This is from Sri Lanka also. And I have a pinch of nutmeg. I usually grate them or crush them. This is the nutmeg. So let's make curry powder together. So I'm gonna roast my fennel first on medium heat, and I'm gonna add my cardamom and cloves and my black pepper, mustard, cinnamon, curry leaves, I'm gonna add the nutmeg and turmeric. Roast a little bit. And I'm gonna add the cumin. Since the coriander already washed and roasted, I don't need to roast for a long time. But if you are getting the raw coriander, make sure you add that first. Then you roast that and then you add the other ingredients. So I'm gonna add this now. Coriander, my 2 cups of coriander. Mix well. Roast it on low heat till it gets crunchy. Maybe like about till golden brown. If you want darker curry powder, you can make this mix a little bit darker. You can roast a little bit more, longer. Keep stirring. So the way you find out whether it is ready, the cinnamon, when you crush it, it has to be crunchy. So that is crunchy, and this one too, it has to be crunchy too. So this one needs a little bit more, and the same thing as the coriander and the cumin. Cumin is crunchy too. The coriander, since I have already roasted, it's ready. The cumin is ready too. This one is almost ready too. It's like about 5 to 10 minutes. Yes, it's ready. We roast it. So by stirring it, you can see it is ready. So now you need to, I'm gonna turn it off, and now you need to leave it to room temperature before you grind it. So way I find out whether it's ready, the clove, yeah, it need to be crunchy, and the cardamom also. Yes, it's crunchy. So this is ready, it's done. So once it becomes room temperature, you can see that's ready. That means it's roasted perfectly. So I have a grinder just for the curry powder because of its strong aroma. So what I usually do, I grind my curry powder as needed. So this is perfect. See the color? And it's ready. So after I roast it and when it becomes room temperature, I put it in a jar and I put it in here. I can leave it for like at least 6 to 1 year. I only grind my curry powder as needed. So this is how I keep my spices. I have fenugreek here. This is the curry powder I just made. And I have turmeric here, mustard, Himalayan sea salt, and my cardamom and my cloves. I use these as needed in my curries, but the curry powder stays in the middle. So this is the old-fashioned way to grind. I do this too once in a while. I remember our parents, they had this stone in Sri Lanka. They usually grind this with their stone, toothpick stones. Smells really good. You can smell the cumin, the coriander, and the cardamom, and the clove, curry powder, curry leaves. That's the perfect combination. Smells good. This is ready. So I just got all the curry mix. I grinded in here. Instead of water, you can use oil. So this mix you can use on any dish that requires curry powder. You can use on meat curries, fish curries, seafood curries, anything that requires curry, and it's delicious. It's ready. This is very easy to make. Curry powder is one of the easiest you can make. So I hope you try this at home today and enjoy.